Good morning children, welcome back to the class. So yesterday we were discussing for 4th students English first. What we were discussing? The lesson number 11. So lesson number 11, what was it? Subject and verb agreement. Subject and verb agreement. So about this I have taught you something. Have you all learned? Have seen the textbook? Page number 35 I told you to. Again you recall and I have given you also some work. I hope you all are following that. So please see and follow and do the work whatever given by them. Very soon you may come to the school. Then that time if your books and copies are not ready, English means I will give you left and right. So you have to be ready for it. Fourth students, again I am telling you, complete all your book copies and books and cover everything and keep ready. Very soon you will be in the school, so please be careful for that. No teacher should complain or no teacher should be disappointed because you have not done the work. How we are doing our work, you also have to complete your work at home. So today let us start the continuous part. What we have learned yesterday? The verb. How the verb is, our verb must be agree with the subject. So what is our subject and the verb agreement? The verb should be agree with the subject. So when it will be agreed with the subject? The verb, singular subject means the singular verb we have to take and a plural subject means plural verb we have to take. According to that only it will be agreement is there. So that kind of we have seen in a last class. I have explained you within it 2 examples they have given, with that we have. Today let us continue the lesson. Now D1, page number 36 you come. What is the page number 36? So there they have given you D1. These words are used as a singular number. These some words they have given that words are used in a singular number. It looks like a plural, but we use as a singular number. Suppose like a news. New we cannot say, no? The word news only it is. Without yes can be, if it is yes is there, so it is a plural. No, this is a singular. What is this? Singular word. So you have to, this all it looks, sounds like a plural, but it is a singular. Hair. So hair also we cannot count one by one. This is also singular, it will come. The next one is advice. Advice is something we want to say. Advice we say. So give some advice. So any one they can give, 2 or 3, 4, any whatever they can. And furniture, scenery. Scenery means very beautiful scenery. Look at from my, how early morning I got up and I looked from my window. The beautiful scenery I could see. So that means that is a scenery means many things will be there, but that is only one scenery. It comes under the singular. And luggage. How much luggage is there? Luggages you want. Luggage. Please bring my luggage. So that may be 2 or 1 or 3, whatever it is there. But we call as a luggage. Bread. So bread only one piece will be there. So bread means they cut the pieces and they keep. So bread we say. We won't say bread or anything else. Then vase. So same thing. So let us, they have given some. The news has astonished us. Means the news made us to be strange. Our hair is black. Her hair is black. The next, the scenery of Kashmir is charming. So the scenery of Kashmir is the Kashmir. When you go to the Kashmir, so there what are the sceneries everywhere. Not only the Kashmir, there are so many beautiful places. But Kashmir, when we say all the way, valleys and the mountains, everything will be there and very good to see and enjoy the weather. So that's why they said. And the world furniture has put on sale. World furniture. Furniture means there will be so many. At home furniture means sofas will be there, chairs will be there, so many things are there. One piece is written. So we call everything furniture only. So here if you see subjects are used as a singular. These are the things we have used. Next one you come in D1. First one we have this, that is the number, singular number that we have seen. The next one is what they are telling. Subjects are used as singular. Subjects also, yes, that is true. Subjects are English, mathematics, mainly mathematics. That is a singular subject. Mathematics, yes, is there, so it may be many, no. That is a mathematics is a difficult subject. That a mathematics word is a singular. It is not a plural. That you have to know. The next third one you see, when and is used, the subject is a plural. So when and is used, what they are telling, the word and. If this is used in the middle, that is a becomes as a plural. So this is and is used for the plural. So how about the two things when we speak? We can say Ravi and Raj are working together. Otherwise, Ravi and Raj work together also you can write. So R means you may say this is singular. Simple way, work together. Work together. So here, what we have said, Raj and Ravi and Raj. This and we use because of that. This sentence means about the two persons we are speaking. About the two persons we are speaking, and one thing you have to remember that you are not using any verb here like a are or helping verb. Are or is, nothing is there. Without that only you can recognize this is a plural. This is a subject. Plural you have to remember. That is a Ravi and Raj. Ravi and Raj. And we use because of that this sentence comes under the plural. Clear? Any other thing like that. India and Pakistan wants to live peace. Wants to live in a peace. So that is also comes under the plural only. So this you can understand. When we are using and, this comes under the plural. The next one. Now let us see the exercise number 1. Exercise number 1, what they have given. Use the correct word given in the bracket. Exercise number 1. I will give you 2-3 examples. That other things you try to do. With the pencil only do. When I give the PDF, then you can correct it. If you have made mistake, you should not make mistake after teaching this much. You have to be. You have to do correctly. The first one you see. We dash our national flag. 2 words they have given. Respect or respects. What word we use? National flag. National flag, that is the national flag is 1. So, what it will come? Respect. R-E-S-P-E, respect. So, what is there? Respect you have to take there. The first one is respect. The second one, what they have given? The Arabian Nights, an interesting book. Arabian Nights, an interesting book. So Arabian Nights, Nights is there, so this is a plural. Maybe R will come, I feel. Is it true? No dear. Book they have given. So this is one of the book name. So one of the book name is Arabian Nights. This is a book name. It is not a tour or any place name here. Arabian book is an interesting book. Arabian Nights is an interesting book. So you have to use their is. The next one, half of the pineapple. Half of the pineapple dash mine. Are mine or pieces are the pineapple means pieces will be there. So that is half means, is it a plural or singular? So this half of the pineapple means half is over, half is. So it will come under the singular. So is you can use. In that way only you can do by all other exercises you do by yourself. It is very easy, but just you have to think a little bit sharp. So that if you are you can make it very easy. So next one, exercise number 2. So exercise number 2, it will come you how to use is, am, are, has or have. What are the words you have to use? Exercise number 2. Is, am, are, was. What are the things they have given? Is, am, are, was they have not given. Past tense is not there, only present tense they used here. Are, next has or have. This all will be used in a what type of in a present tense. So the verb is in a present tense. So seeing this one only we can understand. Is, am, are, has or have. All we use in a present tense. The I dash learning French. So what I means I am. Always I means what only we can use the helping verb am. So you can write I am. So this is the verb. Second one, the child dash crying. Child. Child and children. I have you know that children means plural, child means singular. So here what the word they have used child. So about the one word child they are speaking. So is you can use. The next one, she dash kept her word. She means third person. So when the third person is there, she, he, it, what we use? Has or had. So then now what you have to use here? She has. So like that you have to think and have to use. I hope you have understood till here, and other exercises and all I will be continuing in the next class. To understand what, you try to do the exercise by yourself so that you can understand. If you are not having any doubt, you can ask me freely. Thank you.